All 7 principles, each with its various aspects, work together and operate the conditions that govern the consequences of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Aesthetically depicted by Bradford, each conceptual design visually highlights the core attributes of each principle. Check out all 7 videos in this series. The links are in the description below. Let these fundamental principles, and all their many facets, be a guidepost in your life and your conscious creations of manifestations.
Principle number 5. The principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. The pendulum swing manifests in everything. The principle of rhythm. Rhythm is in everything, from the cycles of nature, society, and civilization, through the mental and emotional states of people, and the cycles of the human body, etc. We can see this every night and day, every winter, spring, summer, or fall, as the life cycles of birth, growth, death, and rebirth. We can also see this throughout history with the rise and fall of governments, fads, and cultures. Back and forth the pendulum swings from one end of the cycle to the other. The measure of the swing to the right is the measure of the swing to the left. Rhythm compensates. The further energy swings in one direction, the wider it can propel in the other. Psychologically, the swing in one's life occurs on the unconscious or subconscious plane. The more conscious one is of such cycles, the more they are able to be the cause, and the less they are at the mercy of their effects. With conscious awareness and proper use of the will, it is possible to polarize oneself as specific energetic momentum and allow unserving energies to dissolve alchemically underneath. Using your will to control your mental and emotional state of being, you can rise above and overcome any challenging circumstance with awareness, acceptance, and release. The only thing constant is change, and all change is cyclical. The pendulum swing manifests in everything, the principle of rhythm.